Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to learn the subject social studies. Social studies. Today we are going to learn lesson 7 in the subject social studies. Today we are going to learn lesson 7. Can you guess the name of the lesson? From the picture, what picture is this? This is a house, otherwise we can say as home also. Today we are going to learn lesson 7. No, the name of the lesson is Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home. Look at here, what picture is this? This is a home, and who is standing here? A small boy is standing here, no? Yes, what is his name? Shall we read it now? Hello, I am Jessie. Hello, I am Jessie. This is my house. This is my house. This is this boy house. What's his name? Jessie. You all have a house, no? You all are sitting and listening the lessons from home only, no? Yes, this boy is also having a house. What's his name? What's the name of the boy? Jesse. Very good. And he liked his home very much. You also like your home, no? Yes. With whom do you live? With whom do you live? You live with your parents, no? With whom Jesse is living? Shall we see? Yes, look at here. I live here with Mummy, Papa and Chubby. Who is Chubby? This is Chubby. Okay. To whom he lives? I live with here with Mummy, Papa and Chubby. With whom this boy Jesse lives? He lives with his mother, father and Chubby. Who is Chubby? Chubby is a small cat. Okay. Now look at here. Why we need a house? Why we need a house, children? We need a house to live. Why we need it? Because house protects us from the hot sun. From the hot sun. Not only from the hot sun, it protects us from the wind. From the wind, cold wind, the house protects us. And not only the sun, the wind, one more thing is there. And it protects us from the rain. From the rain, the house protects us. Okay. And then look at here. What is this? Doors. What is this? Door. Very good. D-O-O-R-S. Door. And what is this, children? This is a window. Very good. What's the spelling for window? W-I-N-D-O-W-S. Windows. Doors and windows. In your house also you have doors and windows, no? Yes. You also have doors and windows in your home. For what we use the doors? To enter into the house, we use the door. The front door we use to enter into the house. And why we keep windows? To enter into the house, we keep doors. Why we keep windows? Okay, do you know that? Shall we see why we need a window? Yes. Look at here. Why we need a window? What can you see? You can see a sun, no? Yes. We need sunlight. We get from the window, what can we get? We get sunlight and fresh air. From the windows only, you can, if you keep the windows open, you can get a fresh air and sunlight. And what are the other things? Sunlight and fresh air. Okay. What are the other things we can see in the house? What is this, children? This is a roof. What is this? Roof. On the top of the house. That's a roof. And then what are these? These are all walls. These are all walls. Look at here, ROOF, roof, and WALLS, walls, roof and walls. This is a roof and these are all walls. Why? What's the use of the roof? Because the roof covers the top of the house. The roof covers the top of the house, no? It doesn't allow the rainwater to let in, no? Yes. The roof covers the top of the house. And in the walls, what shall we do? We can hang wall hangings and pictures, photos, many things we can see, no? Yes. We learn about the house. Pretty pictures we can hang on the wall. We learn about the house. We learn about doors, windows, and we learn about the roofs and walls. Now we are going to learn about the rooms. What are the rooms in your house? Shall we see? Yes, can you guess the name of the room? TV is there, sofa is there. Can you guess the name of the room? Yes, this is a sitting room. We sit with our guest and talk in this room, no? Yes, this is a sitting room. Otherwise, we can call it as living room. Sitting room or living room. Look at here, SITTING, sitting, ROOM, room, sitting room, or LIVING, living, ROOM, room. What can we do in this room? We sit with our guest and we talk with our guest. Okay, sitting room. Sitting room, how can we call otherwise? We can call it as a living room. What's the next room? Shall we see? Do you guess this, children? Yes, this is a bedroom. What shall we do in this room? We can take rest and we can sleep. We take rest and we sleep in this room. How we call it as? We call it as bedroom. We call it as bedroom. It's easy spelling. BED, bed, ROOM, room, bedroom. What's the next room? Shall we see? Yes, you all are shouting. I hear that. What room is that? It's a bathroom. Or what shall we do in this room? We wash our hands, everything, and we take bath in this room. We call it as bathroom. Otherwise, we can say it as washroom. How can we say? Look at here. Bathroom, BATH, bath, ROOM, room, bathroom. Otherwise, WASH, ROOM, room, washroom, bathroom or washroom. And the next room shall we see? Yes, you are right. This is a kitchen. What shall we do in this room? We cook food. Very good. We cook food in the kitchen. Till now we learnt about 4 rooms. What are the rooms? Living room, sitting room or living room, bedroom, bathroom or washroom, otherwise kitchen. 4 types of rooms we learnt, no? Yes. Now, look at this. Who is she? This is Jessie's friend Rano. This is Jessie's friend Rano. She lives with her mother. With whom she lives? She lives with her mother. Her house has only one room and a bathroom. Her house has only one room and a bathroom. Rano helps her mother to keep the house clean. She helps her mother. Look at here, the house is very clean, no? Yes, she helps her mother to keep the house clean. Rano loves her house. You children, you also help your mother to keep your house clean. Okay, you also love your house, no? Do you understand the lesson? What did we learn? We learn about the house. What are the things in the house? Roofs are there, windows are there, and then doors, windows, walls. And what shall we do in the wall? We hang pictures on the walls, no? Yes. And one more thing, we learn about Jessie's friend. What is this? What is her name? Yes, Rano. Very good. You understand the lesson, no? Shall we do the book exercise now? Look at here. We read the question. Read and answer. Part A. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Jessie lives in a house or hotel. Where he lives? Jessie lives in a house or hotel. Which place he is explaining nicely in this lesson? Yes, house. Very good. House. Number 2, the door or roof covers the top of a house. The door, for what we use the door? We use the door to enter into the house, no? Front door, yes. And then roof, it's covering at the top of the house. So which one we have to tick, give a tick? Roof. Very good. Number 3, we make the guest sit in the kitchen or sitting room. Where we make the guest to sit? In the kitchen or sitting room? In the sitting room. Very good. The bathroom or bedroom is also called the washroom. Where we wash? In the bathroom or bedroom? In the bathroom. Shall we do it now? Jessie lives in a house. Give a tick. The door or roof covers the top of a house. Roof. We make the guest sit in the kitchen or sitting room? Sitting room. The bathroom or bedroom is also called the washroom? Bathroom. We complete this now. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. Part B. Write Y for yes and write N for no. Number 1, a house keeps us safe from the sun and the wind. The house keeps us safe from the sun and the wind? Yes, it protects us, no, from the wind, the sun and the rain. Yes, so we have to give yes. And then number 2, we enter our house through the roof. Where's the roof? It's at the top of the house. From the top of the house, we enter into the house. No, we use door to enter into the house. Roof is at the top of the house. Is it the correct answer? Which one is correct? Yes or no? No. Very good. Number 3, a house should not have windows. A house should not have windows. We don't need windows. We need it. Why we need it? To get a sunlight and fresh air, we need windows. Here they give, we should not need. Is this the correct one? No. We have to give no. And then number 4, we must keep our house clean. We must keep our house clean only, no? Yes. So this is yes. Shall we see the answer? Number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, no. Number 4, yes. A house keeps us safe from the sun and the wind. We enter our house through the roof. No. A house should not have windows. No. We must keep our house clean. Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Do and learn. Do and learn. Part D. We find these things in a house. Complete their names. These things you can have in your home. What are the things? Shall we find out? Number 1, we see our face in this. When you see your face, when you apply powder, everything, you see at this. What is this? Yes, you all are shouting. I hear that. I know the answer. You know the answer, no? That's a mirror. What's the spelling for mirror? M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Shall we look at the next one? Number 2, we sleep on this. Where can you sleep? Where can you sleep? We sleep on this. We sleep on the bed. Very good. What's the spelling for bed? B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Look at the third one. We keep our clothes in this. Where shall we keep our clothes? In the school bag? No. Where shall we keep? In the cupboard. Very good. What's the spelling for cupboard? C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Very good. We keep our clothes in this cupboard. Number 4. We use this to check the time. How can we check the time? What we use to check the time? Yes. Your guess is right. We use the clock. What's the spelling for clock? C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Shall we read it once again? We see with our face in this. That's a mirror. And number 2, we sleep on this. That's a bed. And then number 3, we keep our clothes in this. That's a cupboard. And then number 4, we use this to check the time. Number 4, clock. Very good. We complete the book back exercises. Today's homework, what shall we see? Shall we see? Yes, today's homework. What you have to do? Read the lesson 7, Home Sweet Home, and complete the book back exercises. Children, you should read the lesson from the book, okay? Then only you can improve your vocabulary. You should read the lesson 7, Home Sweet Home, and you have to complete the book back exercises. Shall we? I hope you all understand the lesson. Shall we meet in the next session, children? I meet you all again in the next session. Bye, children.